Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by Forex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Microsoft fell 3.2% to $384.47 this Monday, as investors took profits after recent highs and reacted to post-dividend selling pressure. In regular trading on Monday, the Dow Jones fell 1.6%, the S&P 500 slid 1%, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.1%, with software names and payment companies leading the losses. Gasoline futures in the U.S. rose to over $2 per gallon on Tuesday, the highest in 5 months, as higher risk premiums for crude oil shipments lifted the costs of feedstock for refineries. The Japanese yen weakened to around 155 per dollar, reversing gains from the previous session, as the dollar found support despite ongoing U.S. trade uncertainties. Ether dropped over 5% toward $1,800 this Tuesday, as large sell-offs and capital outflows pressured the crypto market, with weak momentum keeping traders cautious. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 11 a.m., the UK to release the distributive trades for February, following -17 in January. At 3 p.m., the Consumer Confidence Index in the US is expected to decrease, after reaching 84.5 in January. At 9:30 p.m., the US will release figures for the crude oil stock change of February 20th, following a deficit of 600,000 barrels in the week ended February 13th.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.